I could see myself making a career in the media industry and excelling. Some great opportunities came my way, and then COVID happened.
The pandemic shook the job market pretty hard, disrupting jobs like Ashley's. But that took a turn when she was introduced to XPRIZE Rapid Reskilling finalist team, Vital.
The biggest lesson or takeaway here has been confidence. Giving our learners confidence in their interview process, in the job placement process, in the hiring process, to be an effective communicator.
Team Vital Solution uses virtual reality training in a simulated hospital environment to help participants develop new skills through a hands-on virtual experience and give them the confidence to apply their new skills in the workplace.
With this newfound career, it has definitely kind of reshaped my plans for my life. Now that I'm here as a sterile processing technician, I have that stability. It allowed my plans to just take more shape, more detail, add more detail to my 5 to 10 year plan. It has really transformed how I think, how I handle things, and it's given me a lot more structure. There are many classes out there, and what do you really have to lose?